Hello there.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
Good to see you again. So we've got you in front of your work. Can you tell us a bit about what inspired you to create this piece and generally about how you work? I mean, you're a photographer?
Right.
Yeah.
I do a lot of hiking in Barbados. I'm constantly looking at the island that I live in and exploring it. And I'm inspired by what I see, right? I see abstract art everywhere I turn. I also see obviously figurative work,
Yes.
but I'm more inspired by the abstract than the figurative. So I hike pretty much every Sunday, and I often run into these scenes that play out in front of me, and I create from there.
Right.
Yeah. So this is a piece that I saw in St. Andrew, I think, in Lakes.
Oh wow!
It was an old. I won't tell you exactly how I created it, but we were in the middle of a hike, and I spent about a good 5 minutes just photographing this space.
Yeah.
So,
It's the water and rocks and
it's called
like
Water Mandala. It's
beautiful
it's
colours. Yeah. It's amazing. And so Adrian's got prints of his work as well. And where can we find you?
I'm on Facebook, Adrian Richards Photography, and I'm also on Instagram.
Right.
Adrian's World in Photos.
Okay. All right. So you can go and check him out and see.
Sorry about the mask, but
yeah. No. All right then. Thank you, Adrian.
Yeah.
And you.